Hey kids, Miss McGuire here again. Day two of our second week on fractions. So this one we're going to go beyond our fourth, a half, and a whole fractions, and we're going to move on to something a little bit more challenging. But I know you can do it. Say, I can do it. All right, here we go. Let's say our objective together. I can write and explain fractions in different ways. All right, so let's go over our EQs together. What are fractions? How can you show parts of a whole? How can you show parts of a set? How do you describe fractions using words? So we just did that lesson yesterday on using words to describe fractions, of telling the fraction and is part of the whole. So if it was like a half, this is one half of the whole as of the fractions in words. So today we're going to move on to something a little bit more challenging with a little bit harder fractions, moving on beyond half, a quarter, and a whole, which we have been working on. So just a reminder on the fractions on what the top number stands for and what the bottom number stands for. So let's use some math words. I'm going to say math words. All right, so numerator is the top number. I'm going to say top number. Say numerator means top, okay? Now denominator is the bottom number. Denominator. So the top number is going to tell you the part, okay? And the bottom number is going to tell you the whole. Everyone, let's do that together. Mirror words and actions. Oh, I'm bringing it back. Yeah, mirror words and actions. The numerator is the part, and the denominator is the whole. All right, thanks for doing mirror words and actions with me. If you did, high five to you in the air. Nice job. All right, let's go on. So, more challenging fractions. So, we're going to still work with what is shaded on here. And we're going beyond half, quarter, and whole, and we're going to move on to a little bit harder. So this one, let's pay attention here. This is 2 is our numerator. 2 is our numerator. And how many do we have all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2/6 is our fraction. And notice I have a TH at the end of my voice there. 2/6. All right, let's see if that is correct. Oh, my face is in the way. Watch out. All right, 2/6. Yes, 2/6. So 2/6. Make sure you have that TH at the end there. Can't move my face to the right place. Oh yeah. So bring it on. All right, let's go on to another one, guys. Let's see if you can figure out this one. What's our numerator? What's our denominator? And what's the fraction? Say it in words. I'm gonna give you a minute. If you need more time, go ahead and pause me. All right, guys, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 8. So 6/8. 8. Okay, make sure you have that TH. 6/8. All right, yeah. Say yes. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's see how much we have for our numerator. I'm using math words, and I hope you're with me. Numerator, let's see here. 1, 2. And what's on our denominator? All of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2/5. Everyone say 2/5. All right. 2/5. Oh, that's it. Yeah, 2/5 of the whole. And high five there for you. All right, let's move on to the next one. What fraction is shaded on this one? I'm going to give you a minute. All right, pause me if you need more time. And look, we've got 1 is our top number, our numerator. 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/8. 1/8, guys. 1/8. If you got that right, good job to you and a heart. I send you a digital heart. Love you guys. All right, another one coming your way. What fraction is shaded? Pause me if you need more time. I'm moving on. This is 3/4. 3 on the top. The numerator is 3, and all together we have 4. So we don't say that 3/4. We say that 3/4 with a TH. Great job. I'm going to put a heart on my eye. All right, guys. Let's go to our challenge today. Challenge. Say, I can do it. All right, here we go. You're going to do a paper and pencil challenge today. This is not on Google Classroom. It's not on digital. All right, we're going to go to grab a piece of paper and a pencil and pause me for a second. Okay, that was quick. All right, so with your paper, you're going to divide it into fourths. Let me show you how this is done. And I just grabbed construction paper. Use what you got. Don't go out and buy paper for this. Just find what you got around the house. Scratch paper is fine too. So I divide it into fourths by folding it into half like this. And then I also fold it into half one more time. So then I actually have fourths. Oh, fraction words coming at you. Or quarters. So you open up and you have quarters on your paper or fourths, the same thing. All right, inside of that, you're going to draw a fraction in each one of those boxes and label the fraction. I want you to not do fourths, not do wholes, or not do halves, okay? I want you to think of new fractions and draw different shapes. Do not do a circle for all of them. Think of different shapes. So I'm going to show you one example, and then I'm going to let you do this on your own because you're amazing. I'm going to draw a candy bar. I love candy. Who doesn't love candy? And then I'm going to divide it into not half, not whole, not quarter, but I'm going to divide it evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And try to make your pieces as even as possible. And you will see as I hold this up, it is not as even as I would want it to be. But, and then color in one of the portions or a couple of the portions of the fractions that you're going to be eating, okay? Or shading them. And I want you to write it in words and in the fraction. All right, so I'm going to hold this up for you guys. All right, so just like this. So I did the picture version of the fraction, I did the number version of the fraction, and I did the word version. All three versions. I would say 3 versions. I can do it. All right, so, and I want you to have 4 of them and different shapes in them. Don't do all the same, and no halves, no fourths, and no wholes or quarters. Okay. Then once you're done, post a picture on Dojo. I would love to see it. That's my digital camera. All right, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope you loved math today, because I did. Bye, guys.